Hi there, I'm Gina Marie Rodriguez of the Cultivated Curl here in Fair Oaks, California. I'm so excited to meet you, and I look forward to our appointment in the salon. I thought I would take a moment to get you used to what you can expect at the Cultivated Curl with your appointment with me. And we will talk about your curls, what your problems are, your issues, anything that you are hoping to have help with, because I want to make a game plan with you. Here in my studio, I focus on teaching you these steps: cleanse, hydrate, section, define, and dry. We'll go through every step together. I will demonstrate, and then you'll see what you can do and how exactly to do that step at home. We'll go back to my shampoo area, which I'm at right now. I want you to feel and see and learn what you can expect and what you're looking for when you're in the shower. Here's where we're going to do our cleansing process and where we're going to learn how to properly hydrate your curls, because it all comes down to water. After that, we'll go back to my station where I'll show you how to section and define. Definition gives us better wear. However, volume and definition live on opposite ends of the spectrum. So it's really important to decide where you like to fall and how I can help you get there. Once you're sectioned and defined, then we start our drying process. Drying curls is so important when you want consistent results. We'll talk about drying methods, what you can do, and what you should maybe avoid. Once your curls are dry, I'll show you how to style them. Some people like to style them in the curl set, which is very defined, kind of crunchy curls. Most people, however, don't want to wear that style. They want to learn how to fluff out, how to expand their hair, how to have beautiful, soft, and touchable curls. And I can show you how to do that. Then we'll talk about nighttime routine and next day refreshing. I look forward to meeting you and seeing you here in my studio, The Cultivated Curl, in Fair Oaks, California. Bye for now.